Hello students, welcome to the class. I'm Yogitha. Our subject is nutrition for nurses, and today we are going to discuss about budgeting of food. It's really one of the important concept because when a common individual who belongs to a middle class family, what happen? Whatever they earn, 60 to 70% of money they are spending on food. So definitely this food is burden for an individual because we need to run a family, we need to eat food, and that means we need to spend the money. Now here we are making a planning on budgeting of this food. How we can purchase the food and how it's going to help us. Definitely if you are able to plan so that you are able to spend the money within the budget what you planned, definitely because of that you're able to meet the nutritional need, as well as you're spending a limited money on the food, as well as you can make some savings so that your future is secured. Okay, now what are the factors which affect this budgeting of food? The factors affecting, like, type of a family, is a nuclear family or joint family size, how many members are there in your family, whether like who all are there, any special need in your family like a small children, infant, lactating mother, pregnancy, or any individual suffering with a particular kind of disease, availability of local market where you're going for the shopping, and what kind of food you're preferring. See, that make a difference, and you're finding any alternative for the shopping. Now these are all the factors which influence your budget, that means which influence your money matter. Now your type of family, if it is a nuclear family there'll be a 4 members, or joint family there'll be a more than 10-15 members, then how you're going to spend? Definitely when the size of family is matters. When you see this whole size, we may find a different age group of people in our family. It may include some special need people also. We may have infants, toddler, young adult, old age people. Now along with that we may have some members who are in a special need category like pregnancy, teenage girls, antenatal, yeah, postnatal, lactating mothers, or anyone suffering with some kind of a specific illness where you need to prepare a special kind of diet for them, like diabetic diet, hypertensive diet, fat free diet, all this kind of diet. Now this will be a special category. Now this factor definitely will be a factor which influence your money, because we need to spend money when you purchase the food. Then from where you are purchasing the food, that makes a matter. See, if you're going to a local shop, or else if you're going to a hypermarket, you are spending more, so you need to select the shop where you will get a food for reasonable price, wholesale, a cheap price, because item will be same with the same quality. Instead of paying higher money, you are able to get it for the lower price. You go to the shops like a ration shop, cooperative society, or wholesale shops where really you are able to buy the food in an affordable rate. Now you make a plan of your budget, how much money you are spending in 1 month for food, so that each month you can have a look on that, then you can plan your food item accordingly, so that you will have a easy way of making this calculation. Then how you're making your shoppings in the sense, maybe definitely cereals, millets, some kind of pulses, that definitely we are using in a large proportion, and daily requirement, daily we are using. In that case we can purchase that in a bulk. Instead we can purchase that 2-3 kg. When you purchase even rice daily, when we use, definitely in 1 month we may want 20 to 30 kg of rice. In that case, when you purchase it in the bulk, you get a concession, that wholesale rate, again money price will go down, so you are able to save some money. So you need to do such kind of shopping. Now vegetable, fruits and all, you need to buy in a small quantity, because which you cannot keep for a long days. Though you might purchase 2-3 kg of apples, you cannot keep it for 2-3 weeks. It gets spoiled, so that what money you spend, you are going to spoil that money. So you need to purchase such items in a small quantity, so that you use it and finish it. There is no waste of money. Okay, then also use some locally available food, like locally seasonal food, locally available, that will be cheaper compared to the item which is available in a particular all the seasons where the rates are so high, so peak. So don't go for that. Go for such kind of locally available seasonal food which you can afford for small price. So that is a factor which again affect your budgeting. Then when you will do the shopping, see, some people may go daily for shopping. Daily they will go and buy something and come. So this again it's a loss, because each day you are bringing something, so you are spending more money. So you need to make a plan that once in a month or once in 15 days you are going and purchasing everything which you want for those 15 days, and you are having a proper list so that you are not missed anything. When you purchase in a bulk, definitely you are able to get it for a less cost. Also, you search that where is your shopping a center. Maybe it's so far, then again and then you're traveling, you're spending money on your travel also. Or else you purchase in a bulk where you're not able to bring it, again you're spending lot of money on your transport. See, all these things should be considered. Then you select some easy a nearby locality area where you can go easily and purchase, so that you don't spend much on transport, as well as you need to calculate the food rate. So it is reasonable price, a cheap price, wholesale price. So that will affect you. That will help you. So these are all of the factor which affect your budget planning. Now some of the tips that how you can make your budget plannings. You make a list before you go for a shopping. It's not that simply you're thinking you went to buy something, but after seeing so many items, you brought something else which is not at all required. But after coming home, you realized you didn't brought the important ingredient what you wanted to buy. For example, you want to buy salt is finished. You wanted to buy salt. After going there, you purchase soya sauce. You purchase some chili sauce, all the sauces, but you didn't purchase the salt. See, that should not happen. So you need to make a list. You need to find the shops which is available, which shop is reasonable, which shop is wholesale price. You should know that in your locality. Then you can go to that shop only. Also, you need to purchase depending on the size of your family. If there are 4 members, you purchase accordingly. If more members, you purchase accordingly. It's not that members are more, you purchased less, it's not sufficient. Again, you're going to purchase. So such things should not happen. You should have a correct idea how many members, who want that, who don't want that. Accordingly, you make a shopping. Also, try to purchase in a bulk, big shopping, so that you are able to save some money. So that will help you to save you a lot of money, as well as a limited portion of money you can spare for your food. So this is what called food, budgeting for food. I hope you understood. Nothing much to explain, because practically we are doing that in a day-to-day life. So dear student, just think little. If you're a student, if you're not on a shopping, please speak with your mother for a few minutes, a few moments, so that she will explain you how she is managing this food and money. So you'll get a better idea, you can get a better answer, so that you will get a better marks too. So students, see you in the next class. Keep watching and keep reading, so that you are able to get good marks in your exams. Thank you all.